Hello, this video is about a web application for a live search on a list of colleges that belong to City University of New York. There are 26 colleges, senior colleges, community colleges, graduate colleges, and comprehensive colleges. The user types in a search text and the app responds with the college that match the search. The user can then click on the college to go to its website. Here's the interface where a user types in a search text. The search process starts right after any character is typed in the text box. The response is shown right underneath the text box. Let's start. So let's save this. Save as. Where we save it? Inside of my document root directory. Application, go to my map, htdocs, spring 2020, CUNY colleges, and this is going to be all files, and then I'll call that CUNY underscore colleges dot HTML. So now we're going to go and work with this HTML. I'm gonna do my doc type here. Let me blow this up. HTML head. I'm gonna put a title there. So Livesearch CUNY College. Head. We're gonna go to the body. And just gonna go again with H2 and with the same title there. Right. Search, a word search here, and let's put input, type text, give it an ID. Search txtbx, size, let's make a size of 50 so the person can really type. It's a full text search, so you type as you want. Out of focus. And we're going to search as you type any character. You enter character, it goes out there and search. On key up, we're going to call that run jQuery. And that's it. And we're going to put the paragraph here. And again, we're going to create that placeholder there. Div, an ID, show result. Show results, and div. Okay, so now we're going to run this jQuery here. Put the comment again here, download jQuery from a CDN. Like, for example, Google. This is the one. Hosted library. Scroll down, you're going to see jQuery there, right here. So grab that script from script all the way to the closing script. Control copy. Go back there to your editor and dump it there. Control V. So now we're going to run our own script type. That's the one. And the function. Function run jQuery. All right, first we have to read or get input search. Var input search. I have to read document. Get element by ID. The ID there is search txtbx. We're going to value and we're going to trim. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, make sure that there's something there, right? So we're going to say here, if input search is different from blank, we do what we're supposed to do, and else. The only thing we're going to do in else here is just clear up placeholder. So we're gonna go doc. We have jQuery, né? So just go like this, $. The location or the reference there is an ID, so $, show result, and apply the meta text, and just blank that. Okay. So here we're gonna do our, connecting to the server. The server's program, right? So we're gonna start this $.ajax in parentheses. We open and the curly, and here we do our parameters. So we have a URL. The program there, let's call CUNY colleges, comma. Are we passing the data? Yeah, we are passing that input search there. Right? So data. So it goes with the key. Né? So I put here search key equal plus input search, comma. Anything else? No, just success. Success is a function of whatever the server send back. So we call that server data. And what do we do with that thing? We just show that or copy that or write, né? Copy or write response server's response to the placeholder. So again, we're using jQuery. The reference there is # show results. And we HTML, apply meta intel, and the server there. Right? So that's our interface. Okay? And we can save this. We can also take a look. Again, we are getting this page, so we're going to issue the command get http /. This is get what, where. The location, well, the service called localhost. Mine runs on this port, and delete up to the include htdocs. That's the document root directory, and that guy. Let's remember this and preview. Okay, so we type something here. Well, nothing happened because we haven't worked on this guy here. Send this guy there. Okay, so done. So let's work on this program here, CUNY _college. So we're gonna do file, new file, save as, and place the location there. Name, htdocs, spring 2020, CUNY colleges, and then CUNY _colleges.php. Make the format all files. All right, done. Save. And here is our PHP. Close PHP. As always, then, make sure that the server is up and running. We're going to say print hello from server. Hello from server. And save this. And we get that page there. We type in K hello from server. Okay. All right, so the first thing is getting the passing variable. The HTML file is passing to this program the variable, the input search. You get it through the key. So we store the variable into variable. So let's put the search text. And the way to get is this, is through a get method, square bracket, and we call search key, capital K. Again, we print that, assign, search, text, we save, get that again. Type H, that H, K, and so on. Whatever you type, it echo back there. All right, good. Print is done. So now what is it? Now work with the database. All right. So we haven't created the database yet. So let's do it. Memp here and PHP admin. Let me create here. Let's go to database. Let's create this. Let's call this CUNY underscore colleges DB. Create. Well, repeat the name of the database, CUNY underscore college, CUNY and colleges, so colleges, DB underscore table. Number of columns, I just have to count there, right? College type, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to add an ID here and now increment the column. So we're going to have 11 columns. Go. And start. Have an ID there. Int 3 and 1,000. How about if you increase, say, all colleges in the country? Probably in the tens of thousands. So 4. Scroll to the right here. There's index here. Click on the index. Take the primary. The window is going to pop up here. Just say go. And also click on the AI there. A underscore I, which means auto increment. So click on that. All right, now let's put the other guys there. So it comes with college type, varchar 100. I'm going to make all the rest as varchar because then I can do the search right on those variables. The text search. What is a college? Well, list of all the senior college, or something like that. College type, and then college, which college name, the varchar of 100, college, and then website. I gotta follow the order here, okay? It's not like the way you want. I'm gonna follow the order because I'm gonna take this data here and dump it to the table. So you gotta go in the order: college type, college, website, address, city, state, and so on. Okay. So website, varchar of 100, website, and then address. Oh, how many S? It's a lot of S's there. Only 2. Varchar of 100, address, city, varchar of 100, state. Remember, when you create things like as such, don't only think about here, apply here to the US. This can be something that you take across the world and then apply that. And sometimes the states, well, why make varchar of 100? States is only 2. Well, 2 here. You go in other countries, there is a whole city, is a city slash state slash something. So if people, I cannot apply that. It's only for US, right? We are into globalization, things that apply here You create an app, only works in the US. What country, what company want to do that? So what is it? Are you crazy? City, state, zip, zip code, because zip, what is this? Var, 100, I don't care. Zip, what else? And then latitude, I'm going to spell it out. Varchar. I know it's a float, but I'm going to do varchar so I can search that. Right? Give me the schools between north and west latitudes of such and values. Right? Varchar of 100. Longitude. Varchar of 100. And the phone. Varchar of 100. Start with the 100, go with the 100, always, all the way. Okay. Okay, done. Yeah, done. Save. Now, before we import, what is that? Table. CUNY College DB table already exists. Table name, CUNY College. So let me take the S out. CUNY College DB table. Okay. Okay, so table is there. Let's see the structure here. CUNY College structures there. Okay. You can see the key there for the ID. All the 11 fields are there. Good, good. Before we import, let's make this table FTS. So let's go to SQL and just issue the command there. Type that command there. Alter table, right? CUNY College DB table. Add full text and the fields. We have to skip ID because that's an integer. Full text is only on the text field, right? Varchar, text, and so on. So let's start with, so we got a list here. So we start with the college type, and then college, and then website, and then website, and then address, city, state, zip code, latitude, longitude, and phone. So my code. And just go. All right. If you go back to the structure, you should see all the index keys there. Okay, good. Now the last thing is the import. Now let's do here, because I got a few emails last week that people are having some of you have a little problem importing. It's very simple. Is unless something's wrong with the CSV or the flat file, and then something's wrong with that. You have to fix it. But I already took a look and everything's fine with that file. So let's choose a file. I place on the same location as those files, the HTML and PHP file. Choose CUNY College CSV. Choose that. I skip 2 here. I go as using loaded data here. Found separated by comma. This, \n, and here. College type. Okay. Let me see. Phone, longitude, latitude, zip code, state, city, address, code, website, college, and college type. Okay. And use it, local data, and go. All right. Yeah. If you browse, you can see now it's all nice. And all right. Good. All right. So we have the database. Let's go back now to our code, start PHP and work with the database. So let's connect to the database. Right? We have to set up those parameters, right? 4 parameters. So server, localhost, and then server user. We're gonna go as root, and we call user 1R, right? Am I German now? $ user password. If you have a WAMP, a Windows at home, of course the password is no password, né? You just type 2 double quotes, né? But for Macs and Linux, is root and root. Password and the database. Database. We call CUNY colleges, with plural there, DB. And our DB table, database table, is the CUNY underscore college DB underscore table. Quite long this thing. Okay, good. So the connection, so make a connection. Make a connection. Right? So we create a variable called con db. That's a name. Any name is fine. Dollar equal. We use a function MySQL underscore connect. This, and here's everything there. Just the four parameters there: server, user, password, and the database or guy. Oh, no. Let me minimize a little bit here. No connection. No connection. Semicolon. And we just print here, connect. It's always good to have that showing everything's fine. Let's go back to the page and then get the page again. Type something there. F, connect. Okay. Let's go back there. So we're done with this. Now what we do, it's like we are sitting in front of a MySQL prompt. Now issue an SQL to select records according to the search there. Okay, so let's do it. Create SQL select command. So $SQL select. So it's going to be select, right? Everything from $DB table where match all the fields, all the FTS fields. So again, the same stuff: college type, college, website, address, comma. Let me concatenate that. Come back here because it's enough. Okay, and then double quote. I put the comma already, né? So just after address, city, state, comma, zip code, all the fields except AI, né? AI. Yeah, I'll increment ID, zip code, latitude, longitude, and phone. Where matched is, right? And here the word against, open parenthesis, double, surrender. Surround that variable with a single quote is a string, and then the variable with $search text, and you finish this here. So double quote, the single quote that was surrounded, and it's still inside of the parentheses, we put here in Boolean mode. It's a little bit more severe than natural language, So if there is a word by word, yeah, there is or there isn't. In Boolean mode, close the parentheses. In Boolean mode, so we don't need this guy here actually. Just that one there. And semicolon. Okay. So we're gonna run this, right? Run SQL command, which means you're gonna create a variable called results. Is the result of the run. So MySQLi underscore query. The link $con db and the SQL select. And here say or die query did not run. If it did, we're gonna print query ran. Let's save this and get the page again. Query run. Okay, good. So query run. Okay. So let's go to PHP. So we query run. So now what do you do? Well, now the first thing we're gonna do, make sure that there's record there, right? Number of matched records. So $numRecs. Again, is a function, MySQLi underscore num rows of the results. And we do that thing then. If $number rows is greater than 0, means that we found the matched record there. We do stuff, and else just send back print no record or records found. That's easy to do, right? Now, if records were found, we don't know 1, 2, 3, 4, so let's loop through the matched record. Loop through the matched record. Or records could be just one. While we create an array, right? Let's call record array. Is a result of this function here, MySQLi fetch underscore array of the variable results. Is an array. Up to the character return is an array broken down by the commas. All right, good. So we have that. So now we can go and get every field there, right? If the record is greater than 0, I'm going to start send a table here. Start sending table back to, not back, send table to HTML. So I'm going to say print table border 1. Print tr, right? Th co-span. Right, we're going to put an ID, all the 11 fields, right? So we put here 11. 11. And what we say this is th matched records. And close the th and close this tr here. Another row, we're going to create a row, and now just a bunch of th is an ID, close th, and then I open th, ID, college type, close th, open th, college name, right? College, close th, open th, college, website, right? Website, close th, okay, concatenate that, open th, website address, close th, open th, address, city, close th, open th, state, th, open th, city, state, zip code, open th, and I open th, then see zip code, latitude, close th, open th, longitude, close th, open th, and phone. Close th and close tr. Okay. So we send this first table there, and then here we're gonna put this guy here, right? Here we're gonna say, so we're gonna put here $, $ID is a $, record array of 0. $, college, $, array of 1. $, right? College, that would be college type, né? College, all right, college type, college, né? And then the college name, $, record array of 2. And the phone is the last one, 10. There's an array, start to 0, so that's why we have 11 fields, by go index 10, right? Good. Now we can put together, we're gonna send it back, this whole thing, right? Okay, print. We'll create a row. Now, tr, né? We just have to populate those columns. TD, the first one, we concatenate there. The first one is an ID, $ID, and it goes like that. Go ahead, close the TD, open TD, concatenate with the college type, and then close the TD, open another column, concatenate there, $, college name, right? Close TD, open TD, and concatenate there the $, college type, college name, website, dot, let me take this here, right? $, this guy here. Control copy, Control V. Website, I close TD, open TD, $, website, address, close TD, open TD's address, city, close TD, open TD, state, né? State, Control V, state, close the open TD, city, state, zip. Here is latitude. Here is longitude. And here we close TD, open TD, concatenate $, phone number. we close the TD, and we close the TR. We print that. So this is the end of the while, right? It should be, yep, that's it. End of while. Now the last thing here is send table closing to HTML. So print, close the table. Right. Save this. Let's go back here to get the page. So I say here colleges in Brooklyn. Brooklyn, Queens College. Make the website clickable, right? So let's do it. Go to CUNY College PHP. Here on the website, where is that? Here's the website. So we're going to surround the website with the A anchor. Né? So we're going to open up A here. A href equal single quote. The same stuff here, $sign website, single quote, the A, right? And then after the website, we close A here. Right? So save this. And refresh this guy. Hunter. Hunter. Okay. Colliers in the Bronx. Bronx host Lehman. Let's go to Lehman. Lehman College. Let me see here. I should do Staten Island. You get the first one, right? So it's not case sensitive. Now, why you are getting the other two? Court Square, Thompson Avenue, Long Island. There's an island. There's Staten Island, but then there's Long Island. Huh? So if you go Long Island, the first two is Long Island, but you still get Staten Island. Look at the way it works, the algorithm. You look for the two words, right? It doesn't like the word Long Island. Huh? You say, well, but the good thing that it takes into consideration that is the first on the list, actually, right? You might have seen look for Bronx, and then you get Bronx College, but then you have, let's say, Brooklyn College, city, let's say address here, 28 Bronx Boulevard. And I say, well, why? Because he found the Bronx here, right? It doesn't show as on the top list, actually, but you get that back because instead of 2800 Victory Boulevard for College in Staten Island, suppose you have 2800 Bronx Boulevard, you would get that if you do a search for Bronx College. But the good thing that the top ones reflect more what you're looking for. But you get all the stuff there.